Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to review the Nextool Mini Flagship Dark. So I will compare it to my Leatherman micra, my trusted companion on my keychain. I want to have a small tool with the pliers on. Let's check it out. This has been sitting for a year in my go-to film stuff. I've been away for several years because of getting a nasty IBD, Crohn's disease, if you know what that is. Now I'm healthy and fine and ready to get back to filming videos for you guys. So hit me up if you need help with IBS, IBD. I can help you start a business. But on to this. Here's the Nextool. In my hand it's small, substantially heavier than the micra. Here it is compared, quite a bit wider, and yeah, about the same in length. If you take this one, it can be folded in, so it's get a little bit shorter, but a little bit, yeah, about the same. So let's open it up and see what it got. So this is what I was looking for, to have some small pliers. I think it is pliers in English. That's not my main language, so help me out guys if it's another word for it. On the micra you have these scissors. I haven't sharpened this in I don't know, I think I got it 20 years ago. So here they are side by side. What I like about this Nextool is it's a good grip. Feels sturdy, feels well built. You have a scissors also on this one, which you can fold out. Let's test it out on this hard cardboard. Cuts like butter, very good. Here it struggles when it's double layer. Yeah. Let's test out the Leatherman. This hasn't been sharpened in at least 20 years, so it cuts much better. Amazing. No problem. So, but this is an old trusted companion, which I always keep on me when out and about on trips and such. You can this I think would be a good supplement. Maybe I just sharpen the scissors and they will be great. I don't know what kind of steel it's on this one. You can see here, it doesn't say. You find it on AliExpress. I don't know what I paid for it, under 20 bucks I think, maybe 25. So let's check out the rest of the tools. Kind of hard to get out. You have a can opener, not very sharp. Thought there was another tool there, but it wasn't. Here's the knife. Let's check out how sharp that one is. It sits good. It's not wiggling, so that's good. Seems well built. Let's test out cutting capabilities. Yeah, It's not very sharp. Let's compare it with the Leatherman. This is double layer, so let's cut it on the other side. It's the same. Let's do another one. Yeah, it feels about the same. So I'm very impressed with the Leatherman. It actually seems sharper. The blade is the same thickness, maybe a tad thicker on the Leatherman. A little bit longer on the Nextool. Making a mess. So that's the knife. No locking capabilities. So there's a file here with a screwdriver, Phillips. So not very coarse. Does not feel like it is very sharp, this nail file, but it will do the job if you just file enough. So let's check out the Leatherman's file. It's a different kind. It's like a sandpaper. That's a lot better even after over 20 years. You can see the white coming here. If you do this with a there's almost nothing. So not the best file, but can probably be sharpened, I don't know. But out of the box, not very good. So here's a Phillips head. Seems okay, but it does not have on the other side. Yeah, it does on the other side. Let's check out the Leatherman's. The Leatherman has tweezers. The Nextool doesn't. The tweezers are very good on this. This is a bit shorter, so you can reach farther with this Nextool. That's a plus. But this has never failed me, the Phillips head on this. So and this key ring holder seems a lot sturdier on the Leatherman. It's a lot thicker. But it comes with a keychain ring. That's a plus. Can't see it that well, but it's thicker. So let's see if there's any more tools. I don't think so. It's a nice tool though. For the price, very nice. So that's it. There's the tools. And this Leatherman has this one too, can opener. And a flathead. So let's put them out, all the tools, so you can see the difference. So here the tools are side by side. Would I replace the Leatherman? No. Would I keep both of them on me? Absolutely. This pliers would be very handy to use when you're trying to screw on things. That's what I miss about this. I tried to get my hands on the squirt, but they are almost impossible to get without using $100. So, okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Have a nice Christmas and a happy New Year.